Last over. Side, this side, right, right. Right, left, right.
Bas.
Sir, yeah.
On your right.
Yeah.
Extreme right.
Yeah.
Extreme right, please.
Here, sir, again. Now it violence.
हो गया आगे थोड़ा थोड़ा
Yeah. You.
Circle back to your photo op, guys. We're going to circle back to the photo op. Don't worry. Okay, guys, so quickly.
Right after that, we did the most important casting for the project. That was Shanu Sharma, who came in and got all these interesting actors. Some really in Cricket World Cup is going to start, so threw us some googlies in terms of proposing some interesting names for people who eventually acted in these films. Farida ji, Kulbhushan ji, Salim was a big surprise when Shanu said that Salim is going to act. I was like, wow, that's quite interesting. Vinodma, Shweta, Sakib, Riya, Shubham, who floored me with his first audition itself. It was so intense. I was like, wow. Shravani, these guys, their first auditions on tape were like they should be doing some art house cinema. But they pulled off this thing so nicely. In fact, the first film, Textbook, we pretty much shot for 2.5 hours. We didn't even need to shoot more because they just gave their shots in like one take each. So, big hand for the little ones. If you have any questions for me, if you have any questions for the producer, writer, if you have any questions for the cast, please feel free to throw the questions at us.
So main question, why haven't the other three shot shown?
Sorry?
Why haven't the other three been
We
shown?
shot the films in 2 schedules. We shot the first schedule in December and then we shot 3 films in January. So these are the films that we shot in December and then we got them together. Also, we want to tease you a little.
No, but why, sir?
Why we shoot them in? We shot the other three films in January because Riya's dates were not available.
Lies. But Ankur, how did the total idea come about?
The idea was Ashish and Aparna's idea. They came up with the idea. Ashish, you want to take this?
Well, everyone loves a love story. So yeah, love story kisko pasand nahi hai. And we thought it would be interesting to, do this in a fresh format, in a short film format, and set them with really interesting backdrops. And we've all seen this happen. Like the love story that Shweta and Sakib are a part of is something I've actually seen happen when I was in college. I was at the Churchgate bus stop and I saw this blind couple standing and talking, and the boy was flirting with the girl, and suddenly says, and she said to him in Marathi, "Kai karte ho, koni bagna?" And that's just stayed with me for decades, and that's just a story that needed to be told. So be it the settings of the stories, or be it some really interesting characters, like I think Farida ji and Kulbhushan ji's story is actually inspired by my parents. They're still as romantic and they're still as naughty, and that's why her love story is called Scandal Point. And we've all had, absolute boy crushes on Farida ji, so we're all very, very jealous of Kulbhushan ji for being in that car with her. So, there's love stories all around us. There's probably a love story cooking behind somewhere near the elevator as we do this Q&A. So that's really the reason why we wanted to tell them, and that's where Ankur came in, and he's being really humble and modest today, as he always is. And I think what he really did is added that heart and that soul, and I think he made me a better writer than I probably am. you know, and really pushed me, asked me all the right questions that, you know, why would he do this, or why don't we set it like this, and how do we make sure that we, hold their attention even if it's a really short film. And you know, he brought in the soul into this films, and that's what really made the whole process. मतलब फिल्में चलती हैं नहीं चलती, यश used to always tell me, you know, कि पिक्चर हिट होगी फ्लॉप होगी किसी को पता नहीं है, बनाते वक्त मज़ा आया कि नहीं वो देखना चाहिए. एंड दैट आई कैन टेल यू, इन्हें बनाते हुए हमें बहुत मज़ा आया, एंड दिस मैन इज़ hugely responsible for that entire process. So thank you. Well, our platform for distributing these films is primarily digital. So we're going to put it out on the Y Films YouTube channel. That is one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in the country today. We are only about 100 days old. When we launched the channel, which is sometime in October, we had about 18,000 subscribers, which were dead. And they were dead because they forgot to unsubscribe, because we had not put anything over there since like 2 years. You know, because the last film we did, Mere Dad Ki Maruti, which Saqib and Riya were a part of, we had put it on YRF, not on Y Films. So when we went back to it, and all the content that we started putting started firing, it's completely exploded. In the last 100 days, that channel subscription base now sits at 2.5 lakhs. We've clocked about 20 million views in the last 100 days alone. So that is the platform where we're going to be hosting this. A large chunk of the marketing is going to happen through social media, through Facebook, through Twitter, and all of that. We have an incredible partner in the form of Airtel. I introduced Neha a little earlier. And Airtel has already started deploying the incredible music that we've got on the film 3 days in advance on their Wynk music platform. So if you like the music, you can turn it into a ringtone, a CRBT. So they're going to be pushing it out to that massive, you know, I don't know, like 500 million people who subscribe to Airtel. They're going to get that, 200 million. I'm sorry, Neha's correcting me. I'm sorry. It's not the size of China. It's probably just India. Okay. So yeah, so she's going to push that out over there. We've got such incredible talent also who come with their own set of followings and more, who we are going to use to publish and promote this. And there's of course friends from the media like yourselves who will hopefully get us, out there with as many people as possible.
And not reveal the twists in the tales.
A couple of time inside, and if I'm not wrong, the film has been shot last year. So when are you planning to release it?
Let's stay focused on Love Shots. I will hopefully come back with an announcement very, very soon. The film is wrapped up. We have a couple of songs left to do, which is what we are holding off on. So hopefully that will be something you guys will come back for very, very soon. So watch out for that. I'm as excited about it. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. जी. Well, जी वहीं से इंस्पिरेशन लिया है हमने, और उसी हिसाब से ऑब्वियसली मतलब यश जी के कदमों में चलना हम सब चाहते हैं, और बिल्कुल उनकी फिल्मों के ऑडियंस तो आज भी और आई थिंक 100 साल बाद भी रेलेवेंट रहेंगे. तो वही कोशिश है हमारी कि हम भी एक छोटी सी लव स्टोरी या ऐसी कहानियाँ बनाएं जो लोगों को पसंद आए. So बिल्कुल, I mean that's the intent with these stories. They've been hugely inspired by all the work that Yash ji and Adi have done.
लेकिन आपने लगभग सभी तरह के मीडियम्स में काम कर लिया है. How do you see all
आप समझ सकते हैं मेरे लिए कितना प्राउड मोमेंट है.
मैडम आपको यहाँ से
दे दीजिए ना माइक.
Plug out.
Be kind to an old lady.
We'll follow.
मेरे हाथ में नहीं दे सकते, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah, too many mics.
ये चेक कर लिए चल रहा है.
So guys,
अगर आप लोग पीछे आवाज कम करेंगे तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
यहाँ से मैं उठ सकता ना, मेरे हाथ में
हाँ आपकी आवाज आएगी.
हमें बोलिए, आप बोलिए, आप प्यार से.
जी आपका सवाल क्या था?
मैंने हर एक तरह के माध्यम में आपने काम कर लिया लगता है. इतने सालों से यश जी के साथ भी काम किया.
जी हाँ,
उनके मीडियम में
सफर कभी खत्म होता नहीं है. एक आर्टिस्ट का तो कभी होता ही नहीं. एंड दिस इज सच अ मेजर स्टेप इन माय जर्नी दैट मैं आज इस दौर में यहाँ आप सबके बीच बैठी हूँ. मेरे लिए बायज़ फख्र की बात है. आई कांट बिलीव. तो आज मैं बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ, मैं इतना ऑब्जॉर्व करना चाहती हूँ. आज इतना ऑब्जॉर्व करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि ये सब बातें मेरे लिए बहुत नहीं है, मेरी पीढ़ी की है भी नहीं. आई एम 4 decades old, as you know, more than that. तो आज ये and to be part of this मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, बड़ी खुशी की बात है.
मैम और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सब लाइक
अब आप कहिए, I want to just absorb what all of you are saying.
So ma'am, what's your take on short films? Since it's a new
Excellent, superb. जो मैंने अभी देखा, these guys, both of them. I mean, I'm just blown. I can't imagine कि ऐसी चीज, ऐसा music, ऐसी बातें, ऐसे जज्बात, इतने मतलब इस तरह से जज्बातों के साथ जो खेला है साथ में, he came to me and I thought this soft spoken man ये बना देगा कुछ फिल्म, चलो देखते हैं. And कर भी ली उस दिन गाड़ी में बैठकर चुपचाप जो कहा वो कर लिया. Enjoyed it, I must say. Something new ना, बहुत ही अलग था approach.
How was it working with Kulbhushan sir after long? We saw some.
Very nice, as always. He's such a polite, such a नरम किस्म का आदमी, ठंडा सा, बिल्कुल मैं चुलबुली अभी भी, and he's the opposite. But it's always a pleasure working with all my colleagues.
I think it's such, I'm just going to add to that. I think it's such genius casting to see both of them together, and we've seen them together in the past, but I think to see them in this Avatar is going to be so fresh. It's actually one of our favorite films, really. And you know, we have to give you a small piece of trivia. Whenever we were scheduled to go see Kulbhushan ji, in the back we would just have a background score playing, which would be we keep doing that, and then every time he would finish a meeting and call me, we would go into Kulbhushan ji's voice and say, "Sanju, result 2 दिन पहले आया." So how do you keep a straight face having that conversation? But man, it was so much fun. And
I
like
also
I
want
said,
to know कि background में मेरे लिए क्या बजता था.
DDLJ. And really, you know, it was fantastic because, like I mentioned earlier, these two were the youngest and the naughtiest actors on set. It was just so much fun, so much energy, which you're going to see when you watch Scandal Point.
The Kulbhushan ji.
Farida ji, we don't get to see you much in feature films these days. Have you kind of become very choosy, or what is the reason?
What you seeing feature films these days? Have you seen any role that I could have done? And said ये फरीदा जलाल कर सकती थी. नहीं. ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. कहाँ है? Where are the characters which I can do?
Okay.
They're done. They're finished.
And you have to see her in Scandal Point, and you'll realize that she's done a fantastic job in Scandal Point.
Ashish, can I ask something to the numerically young actors?
Yes, of course, please. श्रवणी को बताइए. श्रवणी, शुभम आइए. बताइए क्या पूछना चाहते हैं? कम.
आपको लग रहा है बताइए.
बेटा बैठ के बोल सकते हो, आवाज आएगी.
कैसा लगा भाई शुभम? मजा आया कि नहीं?
बहुत मजा आया.
अब चलो अंकुर के बारे में कुछ अच्छा बोलो, फिर मेरे बारे में अच्छा.
सर तो शांति रहती.
Actually, frankly, when these guys started, I was not nice to Shubham at all. पहली चीज मैंने इनसे पूछी विशेषण की परिभाषा बताओ, उनको नहीं आती थी. फिर इनका था कि तुम्हारा रोल तभी मिलेगा कि तुम विशेषण की परिभाषा और 2 उदाहरण दोगे. तो इन्होंने दिए आके, उसके बाद इनका टेस्ट क्लियर हुआ, उसके बाद इन्होंने एक्टिंग करी. विशेषण के उदाहरण दिया था, तुमने याद है? परिभाषा याद है तुम्हें?
हाँ, सूट परी.
बताओ सबको विशेषण की परिभाषा.
अभी तो नहीं याद आ रही है.
आप सबसे यंग यशराज हीरोइन बनिए.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
क्या पूछ लिया?
ऐसा श्रीदेवी वाला पोज या कुछ ऐसा करके दिखाइए.
ये इनका श्रवणी वाला पोज श्रीदेवी वाले पोज से ज़्यादा अच्छा है. पोज यूँ करके उन्होंने प्लेन जो फेंकने की इनकी अदा काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त है.
Anything you would like to say कि आप एक legendary प्रोडक्शन हाउस, एक लेजेंडरी इंसान के मतलब से जुड़ गई हैं. उस फिल्म में आपको काम करते हुए कैसा लगा?
बहुत भारी सवाल है. बहुत भारी सवाल. कैसा लगा? जरा उम्र देख के मेरे भाई.
एक्चुअली इनके सेट पे सवाल इस तरह के थे कि भैया ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है और लंच में क्या मिलेगा, टॉफी है.
इंसान वगैरह थोड़ा ज्यादा हो.
मेरे भी सवाल भारी था.
This question is for you. We saw the film and we saw the video. So how are you going to show them in the film? Is it going to be in that format only?
Yeah, so we're going to show the film and then there's going to be music video. The music video is going to contract and then the end credits will flow.
We're also going to be deploying the music videos independently because the music has turned out so well.
Fabulous.
We're also going to be doing that.
Music is wow.
And we're hoping that we get some like amazing views on the YouTube channel and then we take the musicians together and do a little tour as well.
Yes.
So what is your brief for the musicians? You've roped in a lot of musicians. So what was your brief? What sort of music did you want?
It was quite cliche for me to ask them to create something out of the box, but they did. The idea was not to make the song for the film. The idea was to feel the theme of the film and write anything they want, even if it doesn't literally translate into the film. In fact, I didn't give them too much of a brief because I didn't want them to make music as they're scoring the film or making a song for the film. I wanted it to be honest, and I wanted it to be like how they want to express themselves.
In fact, there's 3 more fantastic songs which you've not had a chance to see today. Here's an interesting piece of trivia. So, one of those songs, in fact 2 of those songs, I actually had a fight with Aditya Chopra over. The fight was he wanted the songs for one of his films. So I was like, nahi sir, ye to, I have dibs on it, maine dunga. So ye ho gaya, fortunately I won, so we got that. And there's also one wonderful song which you hear on the end credits, which also you must look forward to. The lyrics are something to the effect of, which is incidentally the song for Farida Ji's film. It's called Babu Moshai because they play Mr. and Mrs. Ghosh. But the lyrics are on the trailer. They go to the effect of, let's roll a fat one and get high. So I wasn't kidding when I said it's naughty. Right, so you had a question.
Yeah, my memory of watching short films in the theatre is before a Pixar film, there's always a cute little short film. And if there is a production house that can do something like that, it's YRF, it's Y Films. Where do you see this going? Because this is a great initiative.
Yeah.
No, do you think, we could also be an audience that
200% yes. That I'm so glad you mentioned that example because I love the shorts. At times the shorts are better than the actual film. Where you go and, I look out or look forward to the kind of shots that you see done from Pixar. So even the shot like the volcano in Love, the Mr. Lava at the top of Inside Out. It's one of my all-time favorite films. So those are all films which you remember, and that's really the intent. Unfortunately, like I mentioned, in India at the moment there hasn't been a good theatrical market. So we are really, and like I said, this is our first baby step in giving a platform to short films. I don't think the time is far before we can really take this to market, create a short film festival, create short film awards, and really give them a theatrical screening that they probably deserve. I think one way to do that was put this together as an anthology and a series of shorts to come together and watch them. But that's really the reference point or our vision of where we want to go with it.
साकिब मेरा सवाल आपसे है।
Sorry, we just ladies first. Let's go with that.
साकिब, आपके जो फैंस हैं वो आपको ज़्यादा देखना चाहते हैं फिल्मों में, लेकिन लगता है आप बहुत चुनिंदा फिल्में कर रहे हैं। पहला सवाल क्यों? और लव शॉट से आपके जुड़ने का क्या कारण है?
तो मैं पहले आपके दूसरे सवाल का जवाब देता हूँ।
बिल्कुल।
लव शॉट से जुड़ने का ये है कि आशीष मुझे कुछ भी बोले करने के लिए मैं कर दूँगा। इसने मुझे उसके बाद एक स्क्रिप्ट भी दी कि आप ये भी पढ़ लें, आप कर तो रहे हो मुझे पता है, बट पढ़ लो क्या कर रहे हो। And when I read it and I met Ankur, मैंने कहा ये तो बहुत अच्छा है। It's something that I haven't done before. I'm supposed to play a blind guy. मतलब मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा मैंने बहुत रिसर्च की और मैं जाके इतने लोगों से मिला, but for me it was a challenge to do something else. So that's why I did that. And the first question, मैं भी बहुत सारी पिक्चरें करना चाहता हूँ, and मेरी भी intention वही है, but sometimes you want to be slightly choosy about the films you want to do, क्योंकि आप जो भी फिल्में कर लोगे हमेशा के लिए चल जाती है, और आप चाहते हो आपकी ऑडियंस ये ना सोचे कि you did films for the wrong reasons. So hopefully I'm doing 2 films this year, and if all goes well, we should be doing the Maruti sequel soon. So let's see, fingers are crossed. We're working on a lot of films, और इस साल आप देख लोगे।
I'm going to add to that. Yeah, I'm going to add to that. And actually for both Shweta and Saqib, it's not an easy part. Because again, you land up expressing so much emotion through your eyes, and that's the one handicap that we put in front of you, without also giving away कि यार ये हुआ है. So that's just something that both these actors have just put so much heart into, one. And two, there's a couple of really exciting pieces in the pipeline that Saqib has round the corner for release. There is the remake of the international
Oculus that comes
Oculus
out
film,
mid this year,
which comes out mid this year. And there's also a Dishum, which is with Varun Dhawan and John Abraham. So watch out for that. He's going to be one of the most exciting parts of that film, and hopefully a couple of really interesting announcements in the pipeline. So hold on for that.
What motivated me? Well, it's like the same medium in a sense, music and